Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian. I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Lunar Delta TS 2018 Solaris edition. So the Solaris edition is unique to Grantham Caravans, being a hand-selected upholstery scheme that we chose in 2018. So benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. A very large front locker box there, space for two 6 kg gas bottles. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got an exterior barbecue point, wet locker box with 240 volt socket, and that wonderful Delta logo, which you see there benefiting from the Solaris edition added into that logo. You've got a door with bin and window and beautiful machine black alloys with access to underneath that single bed. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing you notice is an extremely spacious side unit with chopping board, drainage board and sideboard extension. You've got the wonderful finish on the lockers throughout, moving into a two-tone in the lounge area and bedroom area. 2 cupboards on either side here, which just click open, and a panoramic sunroof. Front chest area there with short pull-out table and PIR sensor for the alarm, with also a television point located down the front. Beautiful finish, as I say, on the hand-selected upholstery scheme that we chose here at Grantham. So a unique caravan to us here at Grantham. You've got the Aldi wet central heating and Lunar command centre just located above the habitation door. And then a further television point on the habitation door with sideboard and under-counter storage there. And also 2 areas there to be able to use as shelves. So you've got a combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric. Pan storage underneath. And also a nice tall fridge freezer. Easy usable height microwave. But one of the real unique things in this particular range that really shines and creates a fantastic feeling of space is this wonderful full stretch panoramic sunroof. So letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, really showing off that 7'8" wide body shell. So as we step towards the wonderfully spacious single beds, so plenty of length and plenty of width, and that 2-tone locker effect going throughout the bedroom area. You've got a 3rd television point located in the bedroom area here, should that be a need and a consideration for you. So as we step through to an extremely spacious individual shower cubicle, Lunar being renowned for this individual shower cubicle. Storage here with hang rail and also drawers underneath. High quality of finish on the bathroom sink with storage under there, and also further space here. The Wastemaster coming with the Delta, and also located above is a hanging rail with further storage, and the Aldi wet central heated towel rail, and individual spotlights located throughout the caravan, which are also touch dimmable. So that gives you a real good feeling, good understanding for what this 2018 Delta TS has to offer. I hope you enjoy the walk round tour. If you have any queries or questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.